I know one person very recently, few years before he passed away. I think when he passed away, he was 90. From the age of 18, he started spreading Ramakrishna. And at the time, there was no Ramakrishna Mutt there was a small place, but not the organization. Nobody knows about Ramakrishna. And there was a lot of rumors that Ramakrishna is homosexual and all that. There was a lot of scandals around him when he just passed away. More than 30 years they were suffering the scandal. There was 2 rape charges on Vivekananda in US. So they were suffering. All that was a very big torture when Ramakrishna Mission was at crossroads. This guy has decided to spread Ramakrishna. How you know? He is a government employee. Must be pre-independence, because 18 years he started means must be pre-independence period. Morning when he goes to office from the house, he will go by walk carrying Ramakrishna's photo on head. He'll just keep a photograph on the head and walk. Everybody will ask, who is he, who is he? He will have a small paper in his hand. Please come to this address in the evening. I'll talk about him. I'll tell you about him. 32 years he walked. 32 years. The government job. Authenticity means, and after 10 years, people have started standing in the queue when morning and evening when he walks in the street to see the Ramakrishna's photo he is carrying, like a temple deity darshan. He created the whole Ramakrishna mission in South India. His name is Ramamurthy. He was not even a sadhu. All sadhus, the great sadhus of Ramakrishna order in South India, Chidbhavananda and Tapasyananda, Yatishwarananda, all of them were his students. Means learnt about Ramakrishna in his class. When I saw him in the mud, I always used to touch his feet. Once I was reprimanded by one of the senior sadhu. You are a sadhu, you should not touch a householder's feet. He was an householder. I said, what do you mean? Do you know his integrity? It is not a joke to carry somebody's picture. Even if he was accepted as a god, day in and day out, on the head, from house to office, and office to house. You understand what a raw way of what we will tell. Instead of that, I'll put a hoarding, I'll just put a banner, maybe I'll put an ad in the internet. Great. But all that after 2 days we won't do. We will not have the integrity, sincerity, authenticity. Whenever we use sophisticated methods, we sacrifice authenticity. So authenticity is a raw, crude, core concept which comes out of you authentically. Many of us won't even wear that vibhuti or kumkum because of feeling shy. Is it? Understand? Many of us don't wear even that. I'm so happy when I saw him wearing this Urtubundra. Especially this Urtubundra Namam, nobody wears in South India. Namam Botanda. And they use this to make fun. So nobody wears. At least vibhuti you can see. Some people wearing in the villages. This Urtubundram nobody wears. It's not that there are no Vaishnavites. In South India, Vaishnavites gave up religion first. Then Shaivites followed. In North India, Shaivites gave it up first, then Vaishnavites followed. It is more a commitment to yourself, not even to others. But even though it is a commitment to yourself, you don't do because somebody else may make fun. Because our authenticity was not right.